Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brad. On Instagram, I'm SLC Straight Shaves, and today I'm here for the Razor Company, and I'm gonna be doing a shave and chat and a review of a new set to me that I'm super excited about. This is HC&C's Mysterious, and it's inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. Catch you on the flip side and we'll shave. All right, just to cover the gear that I'm using today. For my razor, I'm shaving with the Böker Blueshell. It's a 7/8 width blade, and I love this razor. My brush, I'm going with a Trotter. The colorway is called Oscuro, and it's in the barber shape. It's using the Mühle STF++ knot. For cleanup, but not really, mainly just because it looks cool with the overall set I'm using. I've got the carved bison in the glacial colorway. And then what I'm really excited about, HC&C Mysterious. So I've got the trifecta, got the splash, also got the EDP. So let's get on with it. Oh yeah, there we go. That's the consistency I like right there. Yeah, buddy. Okay, getting to it. Gosh, I love this. I love this razor. All right.
I like to go with the nose smash method.
All right, just wrapped up my shave, so I'm gonna rinse and do my favorite part, splash. Some good stuff there. So I'm kind of like a fragrance novice, and I had never got my nose on Baccarat Rouge before. As soon as I smell this, instantly love it. It's really, really good. Dig it for sure. Splash time, right? Ooh. That's a healthy splash. Ooh. That's really, really nice. Like, really nice. All right. Nice alcohol burn. Really great skin feel. I love it. It's just the kind of splash I dig. And it smells freaking fantastic. I love when you're smelling the soap, when you lather the soap, you're getting mostly the base notes, but when you splash, you really get those top notes, which I freaking love. Kind of get the full depth and olfactory experience. Yeah, buddy, that's nice. Okay, just got done with the shave. Now I'm gonna spray the EDP. Pretty stoked about this. Ah, damn, that is good.